Hi, how are you? You can see different drawings on emoji. So today I'm going to draw another new one. So for the circle I've already drawn here, I use this compass to draw the circle. You can also use other instruments too for the drawing. So let's start the drawing. For this purpose I'm going to draw an elliptical circle here. You can see it. Okay, and a totally round shape for the eyes here. Okay, another one in the middle, and also one in outside and the other one in the middle. Okay, so for the eyebrow I'm going to put a deeper color. All right, let's make this deeper too. Also this one. Okay, now we're going to fill up all these three circles which are left empty because the inside is white. Let's make it darker, the full black color. Okay, finally this bigger circle is going to be totally dark. Nice. All right, now we're going to draw the whole color, a uniform tone. Let's put the bright color. There's the bright yellow or bright green. It's something in the middle. All right, so the marking color, this is used for marking pen. Sometimes we highlight the words in a book and use this marker too. In some places this is called highlighter. All right, so you can see the drawing. This is a very nice. He's just wandering. Okay, eyes are full open. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on for more updates. Thank you so much. And you can also browse through the playlist for different categories of drawings, and you can start your own choices. You can select your own choices. Thank you so much. Have a good day.